Hello, friends. Welcome to a guided meditation by Cool Lulu Loves for English practice. Please remember to turn your subtitles in English on so that you are able to follow along with me. Please get into a comfortable position, friends, and we will get started. Take a breath in, soft and easy. Let your shoulders drop. Let your mind quiet. Imagine you are walking through a field of wildflowers. Colors dance all around you. Gold, violet, white, soft blue. Each flower moves gently in the breeze, as if whispering hello. This is fresh air, full of earth and sweet blossoms. Breathe it in slowly. Breathe out even slower. You hear the soft hums of bees, the distant call of a bird. Everything is moving in its own gentle way. There is no rush. There is only now. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Feel the ground beneath your feet. You are strong. You are free, just like the wildflowers. You are light. You are open. You are part of this endless living beauty. Stay here and feel the peace and calm, the life all around you. And when you are ready, return to where you are. Open your eyes. Carry this wild, beautiful peace with you throughout the day. I hope you are relaxed, friends, and I hope that you have a beautiful day today. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a super day.